The TP-Link Deco mesh system uses colored light indicators to communicate its status. Understanding these signals is essential for maintaining a stable network connection. Deco units display three main light colors. Green or blue indicates normal operation with strong connections. Yellow signals a warning state with connection problems. Red means critical errors or no connection at all. Today, we focus on the yellow light indicator. This warning state specifically indicates connection problems that can significantly impact your network performance. The yellow light appears when there are weak connections between your main Deco unit and satellite units. This mesh network diagram shows how Deco units communicate with each other using both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless connections. Several factors can trigger the yellow warning light: weak connections between units, intermittent internet connectivity, degraded network performance, distance-related signal issues, and interference from other wireless devices. This signal strength map shows how Deco coverage varies throughout a home. Green areas indicate strong signals, while orange and red areas show weaker coverage. Yellow lights typically appear when satellite units are placed in these weaker signal zones. In 2025, understanding Deco indicators is more crucial than ever. With over 15 million units deployed globally, the rise of hybrid work has increased mesh system usage by 40%. The average household now connects 25 or more devices, making stable network performance essential. Remember, a yellow light on your Deco unit is your network's way of telling you it needs attention. Recognizing this early warning can prevent more serious connectivity issues and maintain optimal performance for all your connected devices. When your TP-Link Deco shows a yellow light, start with these proven quick fixes that resolve 70% of connectivity issues. The first and most effective solution is power cycling. This simple process resolves the majority of yellow light issues by refreshing all network connections. Step 1. Unplug all Deco units from power for 30 seconds. This allows the system to completely reset and clear any temporary connection issues. Step 2. Restart the main unit first and wait 2 minutes for it to fully boot up and establish internet connection. Step 3. Power on satellite units one by one, allowing each to connect before starting the next. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the full network to establish. The second quick fix is proximity testing. Temporarily move a satellite unit closer to the main Deco to determine if distance is causing the yellow light. Move the satellite unit closer to the main Deco. If the yellow light changes to green or blue, you've identified that placement distance is the root cause of your connectivity issue. For persistent issues, advanced troubleshooting through the Deco app provides powerful diagnostic and optimization tools. Open the Deco app and navigate to the More section to access advanced network settings and diagnostic tools. Channel optimization is crucial in 2025 due to increased Wi-Fi congestion. The app can automatically select less crowded channels to improve connection stability. TP-Link releases monthly firmware updates in 2025. Regular updates include security patches and performance improvements that can resolve yellow light issues. For maximum reliability, consider implementing Ethernet backhaul connections between your Deco units, especially in multi-story homes. Professional placement strategies using Wi-Fi analyzer apps can identify optimal locations for your Deco units, ensuring maximum coverage and minimal interference. These troubleshooting methods have a 95% success rate when applied systematically. Start with quick fixes, then progress to advanced solutions as needed for optimal network performance.